Okay, again I'm gonna start off by checking the current condition of the board. I'll check the back side first, since that side will be planed first. And it's especially important to check if the board is twisted or not. Well, that's lucky. This board is not twisted at all. It's just cupping towards the back side. So turn the board over and start planing the edges. On the back side, the correct way to plane is from the tip of the cathedral pattern towards the bottom of it. And on the other hand, on the hardwood side, the correct way is from the bottom of the cathedral pattern towards the tip of it. Okay? Okay, let's start planing them. I'm going to plane off the same amount on both sides. Okay, now I'll check it on the bench. And with a ruler. Yeah, just a little bit better now. It needs to be planed more though.